Look at Alana's sand castles. They're so pretty. Beach day, beach day. We're going on a beach day. Finally at the beach. It took forever to get here.
Yeah.
It's time to have fun at the beach. And look at that. We have a cute little pool.
Yeah, I want to get in it right now.
Everyone is here. Look at our adorable little pool. Isn't it just so cute, Mommy? And it's got a slide and so much fun. Splash, splash, splash battle. Splash, splash.
Splash, splash.
It's a bit small. I think the ocean would be better.
Yeah.
You girls want a drink from the cooler?
Yes, please.
Oh, thanks, I'm good.
I just really, really, really love pineapple. It's just so good.
Miss Rapunzel, can I have an apple juice?
Yes, coming right up.
Yummy, I love apple juice. So good.
Look over here, girls. We've got tons of sand stuff.
Okay.
Let's start building.
Yeah.
Well, I want to build just a traditional sand castle. So let me go. Scoop. And once you scoop it, then you pat it with the shovel. And then you flip and it makes a sand castle. I want to play with this little crabby. Look at Alana's sand castles. They're so pretty. I love the beach. I love the beach. Na 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 na. Mommy, I'm getting pretty bored of this sand. Can we head down to the water?
Well, you would have to be careful, but yes, you can go.
Okay, Mommy. Girls, do you guys want to go down to the water?
Sure, let's go.
Yeah, sure. I'm okay with it. My floaty is the unicorn.
This is my float, the nice rainbow.
Look at our floaty.
So cute.
Yeah, pineapple and duck. There we go. Look at my floaty. It's a pink crab. It's so cute.
Mine's cute too. It's a cute little watermelon.
Let's head to the shore. Mommy, can we go to the shore too?
Thanks for us.
Well, you're a bit young and those waves are a little bit scary. Are you sure you don't want to be in your little pool? I mean, I guess. I like it better there anyways.
Me too.
Look at us! Woo! Woo! Look at us too. We're snug in a rug. Whoa, the tide's coming back again. We're about to be swooped away. Woo!
It's coming.
Yay! Woo! I'm in the water now, girls. Anya!
Help me! Calm down, Anya. You're fine.
Yeah, calm down. You're not going to start flying away.
On my floaty.
Okay, let me just get back on my floaty. Okay.
There it is. It tipped over.
Whoa! We went so far. Let's push ourselves back. Wait for us. Coming. It's coming. Coming. Woohoo! So fun. Elsia! 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 Oh, thank goodness we saved you.
That's so scary.
I know. Look, it's coming back again. Here it comes. And it went away. What's wrong?
Maybe it's the low tide.
Look, here it comes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not reaching us again.
How much
Look at
closer
all
do
of
we
us
have to
here.
get?
Wow! It's hit us!
Yes,
Hooray!
it
got us! Let's get closer!
Oh,
Elsia!
Okay.
Watch out, girls! Here it comes!
Coming.
Hooray!
See, it's coming from afar.
Look! Okay, here it comes! Ah, it's water! We're being taken away! Girls, look! big waves out there. Let's get closer. Here it comes, girls. We're so close to it now. Billy! We just have to wait. And here it comes. Yay! Woohoo! So fun. Hooray! Oh no, Billy, you're being taken away. I'm okay. Go! You're back with us! Crazy how that works out. Ariella? Ariella!
I'm okay, I'm okay. Right here.
Whoa, Ariella, you got so far!
It's taking me back.
Oh no, Ariella!
Seaweed.
How are we gonna save you?
I don't know. Get Mommy! Help!
Help!
Mommy, save me!
We all got flung back so much. Look, Ariel saved Ariella. Ariella, are you okay? You went out into sea.
Yeah, I'm alright.
You have to be more careful.
I'll try.
Hey, with your mommy on watch, and since she's a mermaid, we can go in the ocean as we please.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all of us. Oh no, Billy and Elsie, they're heading too close to the wave. Ah! Elsie! Everyone's falling out of their floats. We don't have to shore so much. We must got washed away at sea.
Too strong for me. We should probably stay here now.
Look, is that an ice cream cart?
I think it is.
I know exactly what flavor I want. I want strawberry, strawberry. Strawberry chocolate. For more videos like this one, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.